It's not just a factory, it's an American icon. This is Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Most factories use powder. We don't. Every single morning, fresh milk arrives from local farms. That's the Hershey difference.
I'm Mike. I've been a chocolate maker here for 20 years. Today, we're taking you inside the restricted zones. Welcome to the floor. It's loud, it's hot, and it smells amazing. We have 100 steps to get through. Let's go.
This is where it starts. Raw cocoa beans. Right now, they taste like bitter dirt. My job is to fix that.
Stones, wood, metal. The cleaner catches it all. We can't have a rock in your chocolate bar. Our high-tech sorting system uses these lasers to scan the beans in free fall. Watch as the air jet instantly ejects this rock. Here, the beans are precisely channeled into the drum oven, where the intense heat initiates the roasting cycle.
The shell is gone. Now we have the nib. This is pure cocoa.
While we were roasting, the milk was being pumped in. Now we mix them.
This is it, Hershey's Crumb. It's a dry powder. It tastes tangy. This is the base of everything.
Right now, the chocolate is dry and feels like sand. If you ate it, it would crunch. We need to fix that.
We grind this down to 25 microns. That is smaller than a human taste bud can feel. That's how you get silky.
Is conching. We mix it for hours. The friction generates heat, which cooks the flavor and rounds off the sharp edges.
Just a drop of lecithin relaxes the chocolate. It flows easier without adding more fat.
Perfect. The sour note is gone. Now it's just creamy milk chocolate. It's ready.
You can't just cool chocolate. If you do, it turns gray and soft. You have to temper it, heating and cooling it exactly.
Untempered bends like clay. Tempered chocolate snaps. Listen.
We heat the molds first. If you pour hot chocolate into a cold mold, it shocks the liquid and ruins the shine. This is the depositor. It's the heart of the line. It doesn't just pour, it measures. Exact weight, every time.
For the almond bar, we drop the nuts in first, then flood them with chocolate. The almond has to be roasted perfectly or game.
It's not a straight line. It's a skyscraper of chocolate. They travel back and forth for 40 minutes to cool down slowly.
Safety first. Every single bar goes through a magnetic field. If there is even a shaving of metal, the machine stops instantly.
That snap tells me burr is perfect. The melt, instant. That is a fresh Hershey bar.
Machine in the building. 400 bars a minute. That's 7 bars every second. Blink and you miss it.
We weigh them again. If a bar is missing a corner or is too heavy, a puff of air kicks it out. Precision is non-negotiable.
It has to look perfect on the shelf. The label is straight, the box is clean, it's ready for the world.
From this room, we feed the country. Halloween, Valentine's, Tuesday afternoon cravings, it all starts here.
Steps. One simple bar.
That's how we do it.